Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of September. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Geminis. Okay, we have the King of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, the Seven of Wands, the Three of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, the Sun card. Wow, the Ace of Cups. Oh shit. And the Seven of Swords. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck. Okay. Guidance from the angels for Geminis. Okay, so Geminis, you are in a sitting in a pretty powerful position basically. So what I feel here is that you have that energy, that you are feeling as if you have the power, you have the resources, you have the knowledge, you are well equipped basically in every way to make a move actually, or to make a journey, to make a move, to make a step ahead, or to move ahead in a direction. You have the confidence basically, yeah, that's what I should say. You have the confidence, you have the resources, you are well equipped, you have the power, you have everything financially also. And as far as your confidence is concerned, as far as your resources are concerned, so you have everything, and you have that, I should say, that designation also, that power also. Okay, so you are in a position, a very powerful position, to make a new beginning in your life, or to make a major move in your life. Okay, and that is what you are ready for. So you are ready to take a journey. You are very well equipped, you know what to do, and now you are ready to take a journey, or to make a move, to make a decision. And whatever this something is, in which direction you want to move, whatever this is coming up for you in life, you are pretty confident about it. Okay, but as you move forward, again the same thing, as you move forward, you realize that it wasn't that easy. And now the thing is that confidence of yours, or that you are having to struggle basically. Okay, you are facing the reality of the situation, that's what I feel. And now you are realizing that it wasn't that easy as you thought. Perhaps because of the resources you had, because of the power you have had, basically you thought you will be able to make it, nobody can stop you. Okay, it will be a smooth sailing in some way, shape or form. Okay, at least you didn't realize that these will be the difficulties, and now you are encountering many difficulties over here. It's become a struggle, it is a struggle basically now. Okay, so this is what is happening. And but the thing is, I should say, it's a good thing that you are still trying your best. Your eyes are still focused on that goal. Okay, your eyes are still focused on that goal. The struggle is not stopping you from moving ahead. Okay, you are still glued to uh, that killing instinct is there. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. That killing instinct is there, that you have to make your point, or you have to prove yourself. It's something like that. So that killing instinct or that zeal is still there, though no matter how much the situation is calling in for a struggle. But that thing is there, your eyes are still glued to it, your eyes are still focused. You know that I have to reach there. It's something like that, and you have that kill within you still. Okay, and with that kill, or with that instinct, or with that zeal, or with that, I won't say enthusiasm, because what I feel here is that you are really tired and withered with the struggle. But the thing is, you still have your eyes there. You're doing your best to reach there, basically. And what I feel here is that after crossing those struggles, you are really waiting for the ships to come in now. You are waiting for the right opportunity. So whatever the struggles and the hurdles were in your path, I think you will be able to cross them and reach a smooth path. You may even change your direction after you cross the struggle. Maybe you, after crossing the struggle, you may move in a different direction, or you may feel that there may be something better for you, which is more peaceful and more serene, perhaps. It can be that you are changing your direction, or your perspective, or your, I should say, your the way of moving. At least this is a way of approach, I should say, rather. So after crossing this struggle, either you are changing your approach to the same situation, perhaps, or maybe you are even changing your direction and waiting for something else, something better, or a right opportunity. It can be this, or maybe if you have crossed these struggles, now you are in a path of, but there is definitely something which you are waiting for. After crossing this struggle, also after you're over with this struggling period, you are still waiting for something, the right opportunity, perhaps. But at least some of you are definitely changing your approach, or even changing your direction. Okay, I should do this now. Changing, something is there, definitely. And with the Seven of Pentacles, with the Seven of Pentacles, I think you have really built in something. After you've changed your approach, you are moving, uh, you decide to move in a different direction, or change your approach in a different way, whatever it is. But you are able to sort of, I should say, you are able to build up something. There is some sort of, some work has been put in, some sort of, maybe you have build up some sort of emotional, financial stability. But the thing is, you have really worked hard on this. Whatever decent stability you have built up, maybe it's not that abundant, but you have definitely built up something after a lot of struggle, and you're just wondering, because it has, as to what to do with it in some way, or you're just having that nostalgic feeling as to, yeah, it's more of that. It's having that nostalgic feeling that you're looking at your possessions, whatever you have made, whatever you have done after a lot of struggle, whatever you have achieved, I should say. You're just looking at them with that nostalgic feeling, just thinking about the path you've crossed, the way, how much it took for you to build whatever it is. Okay, and the thing is, with the Six of Wands and followed by the other cards here, what I feel here is there is definitely your efforts are being rewarded over here. With the Six of Wands, you are happy, you are celebrating, followed by the Sun card, ultimate happiness. So what I am getting here is that no matter how much struggle was involved in this situation, whatever the situation is, and you are just looking back to see how much effort I have put in to build in whatever it is, even if it is meager or whatever it is. Though I don't think it's that abundant, but yeah, whatever you have built up is worth pondering, and it is being rewarded in the form of Six of Wands, the Sun card, and there is definitely a reason to celebrate. That's what I get. It's you're really really happy, and you're really emotional about it. You're really really happy over here, really happy, really, I should say, emotionally fulfilled and content after seeing the results of the struggle you've put in, basically. Okay, and here with the Seven of Swords, the weird thing ending the reading with the Seven of Swords, but what I feel here is that this, it's talking about the struggle. The struggle was, I think this was a struggle because you were dealing with somebody who was hiding in some information from you, perhaps, or was deceptive, or maybe there were some background activities going on which you were not aware of, and that is why it became like a struggle. That's what I feel. Definitely some background activities, or maybe people conspiring against you. Yeah, more of that. People conspiring against you, trying to pull you down. It's something like that. And that is why the struggle was there, which was unexpected for you, as I have already mentioned. And with the Five of Spades, again, it is a struggle. It is you're dealing with an equal opponent. So perhaps this was a struggle. You were dealing with somebody who perhaps didn't want you to win in this, or to achieve whatever you were set to achieve. So there was definitely a strong opposition over here, basically. Messenger of thought, a new topic or intellectual project is really exciting for you. There is so much to learn before you feel ready to move forward. New information may require changes to your plans. Review all documents carefully. You know you will meet, or you are someone who loves to learn and share knowledge. This person is brilliant and truthful, but also blunt and not very diplomatic. So I think this is something, this is a message which is talking about the fact that when you're starting this journey, this is the guidance for you. When you started this journey, pretty confident that you will be able to make it, you will be able to do it. Okay, and these struggles were very unexpected. So here it is that you need to learn before you feel that you're ready to move forward. So you should have whatever the information is there, review them, read all the documents carefully. Okay, because you never know what's going on behind. So that is what is the guidance for you. You need to reevaluate and relearn and review the things before you make a move. That is the guidance for you, Geminis. Okay, so no matter how exciting this project was and how confident you felt when you started this, and it became a struggle over here. So basically, whatever the amount of struggle was, and you had to maneuver your ways to achieve it. But the guidance here is you just need to understand that and review everything, and understand that people may not like you when, okay, they may not like you to achieve, and there may be people who behind your back may pull your leg, I should say, in a simple way. So Geminis, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.